Thank you for purchasing PitchPerfector. This brief tutorial will walk you through step-by-step how to install the PitchPerfector program on your computer. First of all, scroll down. This is the section where this video will show up soon. And go to step number 1. If you're on a PC, you'll click the PC download. If you're on a Mac, you'll click the Mac download. And you can download the documentation separately, though the documentation is included in each of these, so it's handy that way as well. This example is on a PC, so I'll start here, and then we'll show another video of how to do the installation on a Mac. It's all very, very simple. Click the download button, and you'll be given the option to run or save. And I'm going to save this application on my desktop. Once the application is downloaded, you'll be given an option to run or open the folder. Now, in some cases, if you have this close checked off, you may not get this pop-up dialog box, so you might need to go and find the file that you just downloaded. And in this case, we put it on the desktop, so it should be pretty easy to find. I'm going to close this so that we can demonstrate how you would open the file if you had closed it without getting this dialog box. Otherwise, if you have the dialog box here, just click Run at this point. In this case, I'm going to move the screen aside for a moment. PitchPerfector was downloaded here, and I'll simply double-click to begin the installation. You will get a warning because this was downloaded from the internet. It is perfectly safe, and you can just now click the Run button. Welcome to PitchPerfector installation. Read the license agreement. Select Agree with the above terms and conditions. Go to Next. Select the location for installing. Will prompt you that this directory does not exist. Do you want it to be created? Click Yes. Click the Start button. When you're complete with installation, you can view the PitchPerfector trading document by clicking here. Now, this document is available on your computer at any time, and you can also launch it from the program. So let's go ahead and, when we have this selected, launch PitchPerfector. When we click Next and exit, PitchPerfector will be launched for the first time. And here we have PitchPerfector up and running, ready to go. Now, I mentioned that the help is available, and it's available. Our help menu here, we had a technical problem where this is not working properly. So it's under the Info, PitchPerfector Help. And this brings up the same information that we had before in the training. Now, that completes the installation of PitchPerfector, but there's one more thing. Going back to your download page, scroll a little bit further down, and you will notice step-by-step instructions if you didn't watch the video. There's a spot for you to register your product. This information should all be input correctly. So you'll have the receipt number, your name, and email. When you click Register, this automatically adds you to our autoresponder list, which will give you updates about new things that are happening with PitchPerfector. Thank you again for purchasing PitchPerfector. And if you purchase the Mac version, stand by and you'll now see the installation steps for the Macintosh. Notice that after installation, the PitchPerfector icon is placed on the desktop. In the future, you'll be able to run PitchPerfector by double-clicking on this icon. Now that you have downloaded PitchPerfector, you will see the PitchPerfector 3.5.dmg.zip file. To open the zip file and uncompress it, just double-click. Archive utility will then create PitchPerfector 3.5.dmg. This is a mountable disk. And you double-click again, and we see that we have a disk image that has been mounted. Opening this up by double-clicking again, we'll see the PitchPerfector folder, an alias to PitchPerfector. This is what you'll put on your desktop to run the program whenever you like. And then there's a link to your applications folder on your computer. So what we want to do is take the PitchPerfector and drag it to the applications folder. And we'll see that it copied that over. And when your copy is done, then you can drag this alias and put it right here on your desktop. And now you are ready to run PitchPerfector. So you'd put this link right on your desktop or any other place that's convenient for you. You can also find it through your applications folder at any time. Double click to run PitchPerfector for the first time. If at any time you need help to understand how to use the program, go to the Info, PitchPerfector Help. And you're off and running and ready to go with using PitchPerfector. I'm now going to close the help window. So you'll find another tutorial that will explain how to use all the different features in PitchPerfector. Congratulations on installing PitchPerfector. Now to close PitchPerfector, simply quit. And to clean up your desktop and get rid of some of the things that you no longer need, we can close the disk image. We can now eject this disk. And if you like, you can even delete the downloads and the VMG file.